Nah, it's not the door.
Oh.
Oh, that's new too, bro. This symbol. What is it, fish? I hope the light still works, bro. Does it still work? It does still work, yes. Dude, we're cooking here. Yes! Yes! You just ran my mind! Let's go! Alright, bro, this is gonna be fire. It's gonna be a fire picture. Bro, we gotta get this on. Strong material, bro. You see?
Yeah.
Bro, we live in a haunted house, so it's really fucking creepy. It smells so musty down here. Oh, they fucking destroyed it, of course.
They destroyed the whole haunted house.
At least the props over there.
All these.
This is so cool. Look. Shit's just wide open. I was like, yeah, you gotta pull the door a little bit. She's just open.
Look at this shit. This is insane.
Why?
That shit loud as hell.
What, are you moving that?
All of it.
No, I think it's gonna make any quality, bro.
So we're in the side room in one of the side rooms here. Looks like there's some books from 2010. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to actually record of this place. I'm probably gonna have to come back because left my batteries at Cooley High School. Yeah, it's tweaked back here, mold wise. Like I can just feel it. That shit is terrible. It's like fucking with my eyes. Let's see what's back up in here. There's so many parts left in here. A welder's mask. So you're inside the whip. That's what the inside of the whip looking like.
Oh!
You just saved it, bro?
What the fuck just scared the shit out of me? The camera just started to slide over.
Got a grill, a life jacket, a light.
Scared the fuck out of me. So I'm gonna show you the upstairs first.
Oh, that spider on the ground spooked the fuck out of me. I thought that was a real spider. I was like, I'm straight.
Damn, this place got fucked up, bro.
There's literally a hole in the roof.
This is about here.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did. Sour right now.
That was just like weird beef.
Yeah, what the fuck? I don't vibe with that at all. I got my photos. It's cooler in the daytime, if I'm honest with you.